I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by removing as much wet paint as possible with a cloth or a plastic scraper. This prevents deeper absorption. Once done, identify the paint type. Water-based cleans with soap and water. Oil-based needs a solvent, because using the wrong product wastes time and can irritate skin. Make sure to work in a ventilated spot to avoid fumes. Now dampen the stained area and gently rub in circular strokes. This first action breaks the paint film and primes the skin for deeper cleaning. Next, treat remaining paint with the correct cleaner: soap and warm water for latex, rubbing alcohol or hand cleaner for small oil spots, and mineral spirits for tougher oil-based paint, but use solvents sparingly. Once applied, agitate gently with a soft nail brush or a pumice sponge. This mechanical action lifts paint without cutting the skin. Rinse often to monitor progress and switch products if irritation appears. If paint is stubborn, repeat short cycles rather than prolonged scrubbing to preserve natural. To finish, wash thoroughly with mild soap and lukewarm water. Then pat dry and apply a rich moisturizer to restore skin lipids and prevent cracking. If small patches of paint remain, repeat the solvent plus gentle scrub cycle or use a skin-safe commercial remover following label instructions. Always test a tiny area first. If you see redness, blistering, or prolonged discomfort, stop immediately and consult a healthcare provider. One key troubleshooting tip: if a solvent causes burning or rash, discontinue use and rinse for 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.